Hey, hey, beautiful brave hearts.
Hello.
Hello, it's us. It's Kevin and Tora coming to you from the Nambucca Heads, where we are just on day 3. Is it day 3?
Day 3, yep.
Of the Whole Life Coach. And Dr. Wolf has challenged us to do a 33-day couples connection. And it's a really beautiful challenge. The first time in the actual course with all the other participants, it was really, really emotional for us, and just to see each other in silence and space and reconnect. We are a married couple, but it really made us realize how little time we actually take for each other, to acknowledge the other and hold space to the other, and really see each other's soul.
5 seconds looking in each other's eyes isn't enough. It's 10 minutes, totally different.
And I can just feel a new level of love and appreciation, and just a deep connection with this beautiful man. And yesterday, we actually, Kevin went home yesterday, so last evening we did our couples connection in the bath. We were quite tired and exhausted, and oh, what a magical gift to have this time, and to take time for ourselves. And we live in a time where the reality is that all our love and our energy, we give that to others, and we actually don't give, and we share that with the ones that we love the most, and that matter the most.
It's a beautiful experience, and something, it's a tool we'll use now for forever.
And I think if we learn to do that from a young age, to really see another and see each other, then our hearts and minds soften, and it gives a deep acknowledgement to this beauty of being human. The whole reason for being human in a way is to feel pleasure and feel love and connection. And when we cultivate the love for ourselves, really coming home to ourselves, only then can we share that and cultivate that with another. So I'm extending the challenge out there for you beautiful brave hearts who would like to join this and take on the challenge. And it doesn't even need to be with an intimate partner. It can be with a child. I did it with my daughter, my 11-year-old daughter, yesterday, and just we cried and cried and cried, and I saw the stress in her face, and I saw how she had really shut down, like I had shut down, and just felt such a beautiful opening and a softening towards her, and seeing her heart and seeing the soul through her eyes. So please take the time, and just at first it might feel a bit weird, but then it just it feels quite natural and beautiful. And we're going to keep going, so stay tuned, and we'll let you know how we go. Sending you so much love, and we'll talk to you soon.
See you later.